Consider this an invitation to my gangster nation.
This game right here is rough as fuck. These hoes out here about the bucks. These fools out here afraid to bust. I have no fear, afraid of what? And with my peers I'm coming up. Fools talk real loud but don't run up. When we come through they run and duck. We still right here, so what the fuck?